Solo Yakko.
Yeah.
Solo Yakko. Yeah, I know who it is.
Okay.
I'm on one of his. I'm on one of his
YouTube channels.
YouTube channels. Yeah.
911 emergency. Do you need police, fire, medical?
Hey, Stuart. It's also with a transfer.
Okay. Ma'am, are you there?
Yes.
What address do you need the police?
121 Southwest St. Lucie Avenue at the Riverwalk stage.
Okay, what's going on there?
I did try the non-emergency number.
Oh, I tried to call you back. I'm so sorry.
Oh, hi. It's okay. It's okay. So there's just a gentleman there that's set up with some very political messaging, and he's not permitted to be there at the event. He's set up with my vendors. And
okay, where?
I just want him to be removed.
Where is he the closest to?
He's in front of Stewart Boathouse.
Okay.
So, like, he's on that round paver section where my vendors usually are.
Okay.
And you can't miss him. He's got a table with a chair and something about pro-2 amendment, change my mind, American flag, blah, blah, blah.
Okay, and I'm so sorry about that. I did try to call you back, and then we had radio issues.
You're totally fine.
So I'll send an officer over to you.
I really appreciate the help.
You're welcome. Bye.
You go 97. Did you ask him to leave?
Yes.
I did not know. I'm not the one that organizes here. He's away.
Okay.
So the vendor
Are you in charge of it though?
No. I'm just representing her and he wanted me to come take some photos. But the vendor said he was being pretty looking for trouble.
Okay,
and
so
it's a permanent event, so all the vendors pay to be here.
So
he can't be here.
who's asking him to leave?
Our director, Candace.
How's it going, boss? So the issue is that you're at a permanent event.
Okay, where can I go?
I mean, anywhere where you're not blocking the sidewalk, buddy. Outside of the event is what I'm asking.
Alright, well, I'm gonna go over to grass. Good?
Yeah, man, I'm pretty sure that's out of the permanent area, if I'm not mistaken. I think
Yeah.
should be good to go.
It's just out of curiosity, like, there's a lot of people with chairs and all that stuff. Why are they not being targeted?
I'm not targeting
I know. They say it's a permanent event.
Well, yeah, they're saying that you're setting up as a vendor.
I'm not selling it.
I know you understand you're not selling anything, but you get what I'm saying? You're setting up a table.
Like, there's people that have tables and chairs.
But I'm not arguing. I'm just saying the people from the event.
I'm just gonna move over to the grass.
That's fine. I'm not messing with you.
Yeah. No, I'm trying to decipher where it is, that line.
You know, I think, honestly,
Because I'm gonna go right there.
I would assume that outside of this is where.
Well, see where those people are right back over there in the red chairs? Yeah, right, that grassy area right there.
Yeah, I mean, I guess.
All right, perfect.
Let me just find out where they're. I'll check their permit and find out where it is because I don't want to set you up and get in trouble. Let me go look. I'll find out. Yeah.
Before I don't want to get in trouble either. But you know.
Yeah, no worries. Just start packing up for me and I'll find out where you can go. Where did she go?
I was looking for her. I'm not looking for her.
So where's the event permanent at? So to this to where? Say again?
He can sit with the people.
Okay, that's what I'm just trying to find out where the.
I told him that. Well, there's no problem.
Yeah. No worries. I just wanted to find out where it is.
Yeah. Thank you.
No worries.
I'm gonna do whatever I want.
Yeah, man. So you're good, just outside of the grass.
Thanks, man.
No problem, buddy. Have a good one.
No government thing. I don't need to call the police on a constitutionally protected activity. It's just like a waste of resources. That's okay.
But I told you what I was doing.
I got no problem with you. My problem is with the guy who calls you guys. ain't
Which is
taking-
why you don't have a problem with us.
And I'm not even taking his business. You know what I mean? I'm not doing nothing.
I got you.
I'm gonna make sure that you know who he is. We're just gonna go right over here. Actually, we're gonna put it right behind this truck.
Yeah, man. Solo Yakko.
Yeah.
Solo Yakko. Yeah, I know who it is. I'm on one of his. I'm on one of his
YouTube channels?
YouTube channels. Yeah.
Yeah.
Because I was down. We were down at the.
Hold on. It wasn't from the Lunas.